Hey guys, good morning. This is Mona, and I have a quick Hoya haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I have some new babies, and these are from my friend out in New Jersey. Here's the card. Rare Herbs Garden, New Jersey. An Etsy seller. And as you can see, here's where you can find him. I get a lot of my Hoya from this Etsy shop. I haven't been disappointed. They've always been great, treated me well. So I just wanted to share this with you. Now this may be included with a couple of other purchases I made. I don't know. I haven't decided yet whether to release them separately or just kind of lump them all in one video. But anyway, by the time I release it, you'll know what I decided. Okay, so here we are. Here are the new babies. I still have the cotton. Let's see. This one is a cross between Rosita and Memoria, which is formerly known as Gracillus. So I love Rosita and I love my Memoria. So I figured, let's get this. It's beautiful, isn't it? The leaves have that kind of velvety touch, similar to Numeroloides and several other Bertoniae. It's very soft, the kind you'd like to pet. So pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? So I like that he always ships in the pond. They grow them in these pots and they create holes, so you can avoid overwatering your plants. So I'll leave this in here until I decide to up-pot it, which won't be for a while. You know, I'll leave it right there, won't disturb it. And I like that it's kind of tall because this plant is probably going to be draping over, trailing. All right, now this one, oh my God, I have been waiting. This is my Wilbur Graves Russia. Now, let me show you here. I had gotten China that was readily available. There were 2 little cuttings. Look at the amount of growth I have now. I have to hold it back. Yeah. Very beautiful. They came together. One was in a little test tube, you know, those tiny little test tubes. Look at the variegation here. Now, what I'm looking forward to with this one, I don't know that you can appreciate it. The splash is kind of, it has like a little bit of a purple tint to it when you sun stress it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this grow. Yeah, Wilbur Graves, Russia. Wishlist plant scored. I wait until the prices come down, guys. I try not to break the bank, even if I want something really badly. Okay, so what I like about this seller is he usually includes a free cutting, right? You know, you don't have a choice in what they send you. It's up to them and what they have available. This is species Borneo. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, it's sitting in a bed of sphagnum moss along with a cutting that I wanted. It's another Lacanosa, guys. This Lacanosa is called My Little Runaway. Is that not the most adorable? So yeah, it's got a little bit of roots there. Hope you can see that. Hope that's focusing. So I'm just going to like pin it down with one of those little clips or pins and put it right on top of the pond and let it just go ahead. Either pond or, I don't know, maybe it'll be stratum. Google stratum. We'll see. But yeah, that day I got it. These have been here for a few days. I just haven't had the time to record this video. But yeah, I'll put the name of the Etsy shop on the screen. Definitely want you guys to check him out. He's good people, and does a very good job. Him and his partner both do a wonderful job. I love the way they pack these. Very nice job. Anyway, so that is it. Oh, no, I want to show you one more thing. This here is Lacanosa. Hey guys, sorry, had to do a voiceover. I wanted to share the name of the person who sent this to me. Another YouTuber was kind enough to send it to me after I commented on his video. He has a beautiful Hoya collection, but I realized I didn't have permission to do that, and I didn't want to step on anyone's toes. So he was kind enough to send this beautiful cutting, which I am really looking forward to growing out. It's a giant leaf Lacanosa, which I keep calling it big leaf. So if you hear me do that in the future, sorry. I say sorry in advance. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know the background, that this was sent to me by another kind plant tuber. Thank you so much. You know who you are. And I really look forward to growing this one out. So that's it. Editing Mona is signing off. Enjoy the rest of the video. Any of you who are watching this who may be new to Hoya, let me tell you, I got into Hoya kind of, well, ideally, if I had to do it over again, I would have gotten into Lacanosa and Croniana first, because let me tell you, these plants grow like weeds and they flower too, unless I'm doing something right now. Maybe it was good that I came into this particular Hoya later. I don't know. But I have so many of them giving me flowers, growing like crazy. Just such easygoing plants. Love them. And I love the little leaves, but this one is called big leaf, I believe, or large leaf. So, as I said, by now you would have seen the name on the screen. But anyway, yeah, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to top them off with a little bit of water. But yeah, my newest little baby. Okay, so now I will let you guys go. Thank you so much. Oh, one little bit of information. It was this gentleman who hooked me up or told me about this seller. Okay, back in the day I asked him, where do you get your Hoyas from, and found out this was one of his sources. So yeah, another recommendation there indirectly. A lot of nerve I have speaking for someone else. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I have a busy day ahead of me. There's going to be a couple of videos recorded here because I have some repotting to do. And I'll try to get the camera going if I can. I have my grandbabies later, and I am really looking forward to the get together. All right, talk to you later. Have a great weekend. Buy some Hoya.